Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will solve examples of practice set 2.4 which are based on search. We learn how to rationalize the denominator from the chapter real number. Question number first, multiply root 3 into bracket root 7 minus root 3. Which is equal to multiplying the bracket, opening the brackets, root 3 into root 7 minus again root 3 into root 3 minus root 3 into root 3. Now root 3 into root 7, root 3 into 7 and root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. It is equal to root 3 into root 7. 3 7s are 21 minus. Second example, in the bracket root 5 minus root 7 into root 2. It is equal to root 5 into root 5 into root 2 minus again root 7 into root 7 into root 2. Now taking the numbers together, under root below the radical sign 5 into 2 minus square root of order is same, so we can multiply the numbers. 7 into 2 which is equal to under root 5 2s are 10 minus square root of 7 2s are 14 is the answer. Third example, in bracket 3 root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3 minus root 2. So multiplying two brackets. So first term of first bracket, that is 3 root 2 into the second bracket. So we have to multiply the first term of first bracket, that is 3 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus root 2. Now the second term of the first bracket, that is minus root 3 into the bracket, that is minus root 3 into bracket second bracket, that is 4 root 3 into root 2. Now opening the bracket, multiply 3 root 2 into 4 root 3, 3 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 into root 2 into 3 root 2 into root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3 and minus root 3 into minus root 2. So minus into minus, it will become plus root 3 into root 2. Now multiplying the surds separately and the numbers 3 into 4, add together 3 into 4 into root 2 into root 3 minus 3 root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 minus root 3 into root 3 will be 3 into 4 minus plus root 3 into 2 which is equal to, here 4 3s are 12 into 2 into root radical sign common 2 into 3 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 3 4s are 12 plus root under root 3 2s are root 6 which is equal to 12 root 6 3 2s are 6 minus, here minus 6 minus 12 is equal to minus 6 minus 12 is equal to minus 18 plus root 6. Now 12 root 6 plus 1 root 6, 12 root 6 plus 1 root 6 is equal to 13 root 6 minus 18, 13 root 6 minus 18 is the answer. Question number 2. Rationalize the denominator. First example, 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. Here the denominator is a rational number, we have to rationalize it. Now, while making this denominator rational, we have to multiply this by conjugate of root 7 plus root 2. So we have to multiply the denominator by its conjugate. So root 7 plus root 2, the conjugate of root 7 plus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2. So we have to multiply here both numerator and denominator by the same term. So we multiply numerator also by root 7 minus root 2, which is equal to 1 into root 7 minus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2 in the numerator, and here you have to apply the formula a plus b and a minus b. So we know that a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So in the denominator, root 7 square minus root 2 square, which is equal to root 7 minus root 2 in the numerator, and root 7 square is equal to 7 minus root 2 square is equal to 2, which is equal to root 7 minus root 2 upon 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. The answer. Second example, 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Here we have to rationalize the denominator. We will multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugates of the denominator. So conjugate of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 into conjugate of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 is the conjugate of the denominator. We will multiply denominator as well as numerator by the same term. So plus 3 root 2. Now we will simplify the denominator. In the numerator, multiply 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, root 5 minus 3 into 3, 3 3s are plus 3 into 3, 9 root 2 upon, now here a minus b and a plus b. So a minus b and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So denominator will be 2 root 5 square minus 3 root 2 square, which is equal to, numerator will remain same, 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 upon, here 2 square of 2 is 4 and root 5 square is equal to 5 minus 3 square 9 into root 2 square is 2, which is equal to 6 root 5 minus 9 root 2 upon 5. 4 5 are 20 minus 9 2s are 18, which is equal to 6. Here again we can 6 root 5 minus 9 root 2 upon, here 20 minus 18 is equal to 2 is the answer. Third example, 7 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. Now here 7 plus 4 root 3 is an irrational number. We have to rationalize it. So rationalizing the denominator, we have to multiply the denominator 7 plus 4 root 3 by its conjugate. So conjugate of 7 plus 4 root 3 is 7 minus 4 root 3 is the conjugate. So multiplying both numerator and denominator by 7 minus 4 root 3, rationalizing the denominator, which is equal to 4 into 7 minus 4 into 4 root 3 upon, here a plus b and a minus b, will apply the formula. So a at the place of a there is 7, 7 square minus 4 root 3 bracket square, which is equal to 7 4s are 28 minus 4 4s are 16 root 3 upon 7 square 49 minus 4 square 16 into 3, which is equal to 28 minus 16 root 3 upon 49 minus 16 3s are 48. Hence, which is equal to 28 minus 16 root 3 upon 49 minus 48 is 1. Hence, we have rationalized the denominator. 1 here is the rational number. So, this is the solution of the third example. Fourth example, root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. Rationalizing the denominator, we have to make this rational number as a rational, so we multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. So root 5 plus root 3, the conjugate of root 5 plus root 3 is root 5 minus root 3. Root 5 minus root 3, so multiplying both numerator and denominator by root 5 minus root 3. So to multiply both numerator and denominator by conjugate of root 5 plus root 3. So here the numerator root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3. So bracket is coming 2 times. So we can write here root 5 minus root 3 bracket square upon here root 5 plus root 3 and root 5 minus root 3. So a plus b and a minus b bracket square. So here a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we get here root 5 square minus root 3 square, which is equal to, now expanding the numerator is a minus b bracket square. So we know that a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we use this identity and we will expand the numerator. So root 5 square minus 2 times root 5 into root 3 minus plus root 3 bracket square upon root 5 square is equal to 5 minus root 3 square is equal to 3, which is equal to root 5 square, again 5 minus 2 root 5 into root 3, 5 3s are, that is root 15 plus root 3 square is equal to 3 upon 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, which is equal to here 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 minus 2 root 15 divided by 2. Separating the denominator, we get here 8 upon 2 minus 2 root 15 upon 2, which is equal to, here 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8 and 2 from numerator and from denominator will get cancelled. So the answer will be 4 minus root 15 upon 1, that is a rational number. So we have rationalized the denominator.